duffel bag, stickers, okay,
Pads.
pads. That's nice.
Very nice. A protected shield, which is used as for chest, if you think so.
What chest?
Over here you can just put,
What is this?
it can be
See?
something. Let's unbox it.
Shirt, I
T-shirt.
No, oh my god, it's the one which we over our head.
Oh my god. You are
It's a
so
prize
lucky.
box.
You are so lucky that you are getting these.
Okay.
More
Here are the
pads.
gloves.
Gloves. Riding gloves.
You have the gloves. Exercise. And here are the I think
Jackets.
Yes, it is.
Oh my god. Very nice.
Worth rupees 9,000. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Jacket. Worth rupees 9,000.
What?
And what is okay? This is T-shirt.
One more. Oh no. Only one.
And okay, Royal Enfield bag.
Oh. Similar as shopping bag.
Shopping bag. And now the biggest surprise is this.
Oh my god. What?
What is
Helmet. Helmet.
this? Yes, my sister has guessed it right.
Helmet.
Yeah, all empty now. You can show.
You
All
can.
empty.
I'm just going to use this in my school
Let us
craft.
see what is in it. Helmet. I'm damn sure it's helmet. But
It's-
which brand? Yes, it's a
It's
helmet.
supposed to be as your favorite. Nice bag. Yellow color? Oh
Open
no.
face helmet. Royal Enfield.
It's very nice. Oh,
And it is matte black.
oh my gosh.
Yes, the color, bro. Look at the color.
It's
Matte black.
very nice.
Also detachable. It
Fit jacket.
also a cool visor. Not so cool, but yeah, I really like it.
It has some print to it here. So what are you going to do with these?
So these were the goodies that were sent by Royal Enfield to me.
Very nice. And let's reveal.
And there's
Ooh.
these were the goodies that Royal Enfield sent to me. So there's one more thing which I have to unpack.
Unbox.
Yes, unbox.
What's this packet? This contains a packet.
Box. Let's see what
Unbox
is in it.
and reveal what is in it.
I don't know what is in it.
Let's
Something
reveal.
very cool, I believe.
It is something which you like, I think so.
Oh my
It's
god,
a mug!
It's a mug.
Oh my god!
It's a mug. From
Royal
Royal Enfield.
Enfield!
Yeah, very cool, bro. Coffee. So yeah, that was
It's very
some
nice.
really goodies
Let
sent
me
by
check.
Royal Enfield.
Oh